Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel Engineering Zindabad. So today what we will be doing, we will be adding the functionality to the button that shows results after the calculation is performed on calculator, that is that equal to button. Okay, so let's do this. Let me run this code first to see till now what we have done. So I already told you in this in the previous video of this playlist that like how we can connect the buttons to the functionalities, and on clicking these buttons this text should be displayed on this label. This is what we have done. Now what we will do, let's suppose if we multiply this number with 96, then when we press equal to, okay, so this equal should, instead of getting this equal to on the label printed, what we want, we directly want the result for this operation. Okay, so let me do this. For this equal to button, the name of the button that holds equal to is, let's check it out first in this current UI.py that shows the UI part of it. So we have button for this equal to. Here we have this button 5_6. Okay, so for inside this button 5_6, what we have to do, we have to basically write the function. For this button 5_6, we have to write the function that gives the result to the expression that the person has written. Okay, so let's do this. So here it is, and see, I have just copy pasted the code for all the buttons, and hence currently when we press equal to, it shows equal to but not the result. Instead it shows the equal to on the label. So let's write the code. So first what we will do, we will say as what label data consists of. It consists of the whole expression that the user has written in the string format, right? So we will get this label data, okay, and we will get the output, okay, that we need to show on the label for the expression user has written. So output is equal to label data. Now to this label data, we have to evaluate this label data. So we will use the function eval, and inside this we have given label data. Now what will happen, this result output, the variable output holds the result for the evaluated expression, and this needs to be set to that label. To set that to the label, what we will say, self dot display label dot set text, and inside the bracket we will have output. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So let's check this out if this works or not. So let's do 7 multiplied by 3 equal to, okay, we are getting an error. What error are we getting? Oh, the type is int. Okay, the output data is in this int format, and we need it to be in the string format. So let's enclose this in str, and okay, let me close this terminal. Wait, this will off on its own. New terminal. Let's activate the environment. It's taking too much of time. Why? I don't know. Okay, to activate the environment, we have already this in our history, the environment name, after that scripts, then activate. And now what we will do, we will get inside the scientific calculator folder, and here we will run this app, new main code, and press enter. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. See, you can see the result here on the label. So yeah, this is how, so that's it.